Okay, let's talk spending money for your YouTube or streaming on Twitch. We're going to help you do it with as little extra money spent as possible. Cue the intro. I'm Christopher. You can find me at twitch.tv/ChristopherFloro. Links to our schedule and all of our other social medias, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Discord, as well as some affiliate links you can find below. Show of hands. Who has a phone? I have 3 right here. One of them is my phone that I use every day. Another one's a phone for making TikToks when I don't want to break this one. I have a tendency to throw my phone. The other one is for my stream deck that I use during my streams on Twitch. 2 of them have just been repurposed old phones that we have laying around, and was no extra money out of pocket. So I asked the question because that's really all you need to post a video on YouTube or to stream on Twitch. You can either record a video direct to your phone and then upload it here, or you can record direct to YouTube from your phone. Now, streaming on Twitch is a little different because you do have to download an open broadcast system, software, source, whatever you want to call it. I use Streamlabs personally, and if you would like us to show you how to do that on your mobile, just comment down below, yay or nay. We talked about this in our last video, but all you really have to do is peacock. Put yourself out there. You don't need big fancy setups. You don't need a brand new DSLR camera. You don't need an XLR microphone. You literally just need your phone. I started streaming on Twitch by just downloading the app on my Xbox and clicking broadcast and then switching back to my game and streaming Call of Duty Modern Warfare. The computers that we have currently were an afterthought with the current release of the new next generation consoles. We wanted something different. We wanted to try PCs. So it wasn't really additional money just for our stream. Literally all I could have bought was this camera that I'm using currently. It's the Logitech C920. If you want to know. And you would have been able to see my face on stream, but it's not even something that you have to do. So we got to talking about it. We invested in the computers because it was an investment in the future. All the software we use is free. DaVinci and Hit Films for editing. Streamlabs for my stream. Google and TubeBuddy for search engine optimization, and Stream Beats for the music in the background. All that to say is that you have the tools that you need right now, whether or not you have a desktop at home, a laptop, a console, Xbox, PlayStation, even the Nintendo Switch. You can do all of it from what you have currently. All you have to do is put yourself out there. So what's stopping you? All that's stopping you is you. Leave a comment below and tell us why you want to stream, why you want to be a content creator. For me, it's because I enjoy gaming and I enjoy spending time with people in various ways, chatting with them, interacting with them in our comments, stuff like that. And on your way to comment, hit that like and subscribe button, ding that bell, stay up to date when we post new videos, and then check out these 2 videos. Thank y'all.